It's 8 in the morning and now I'm heading towards the airport. It's about 1 hour and a half walking, I think, and I hope that not more. And why am I going to the airport? Am I going back home? No! I'm actually going to take a helicopter. That's right. Helicopters here are like buses. They are local transport sponsored by government, so it's quite cheap. I'm going to the next island, to the town called Klaksvik, and I will be there in that area for 5 nights. I'll have my own individual apartment, so I'll be able to relax more, not moving so much from one place to another. Okay, let's get moving. I don't want to miss my helicopter. And the sky is amazing. Look at this, no clouds, no snowstorms, no nothing. So I don't think that my helicopter shall be cancelled. Look at that, even the sheep houses have Christmas lights on. This is the cutest thing. So here we have the sunrise, the orange-yellow sky, but I definitely prefer the pink and blue sky. It's magical, from a fairy tale. Airport! I made it.
Trappene på ferjedøren går. På løs og på ferden om Tabertino. Tyrland og Atlantslojen, ikke ferden trykka og gaua til.
Det er vel livet at han vil lytte til. Det er bare sitte en tøyma og rett opp i tøyma. Nei, jeg er bare ikke sammen med tekklagsene, og jeg var til å sammen så ut som han. Det er en stor tekklagsene. Så man gjorde rett. Det er Jordan. Vattnet etter... Jag så här.
minutes, and after Torshavn it will be Klaksvik. This time is Torshavn.
fast. He made several stops, so it was good to see the landings several times and the takeoffs. I'm in Klaksvik, and I'll be in this area for 5 nights. Now the mission is to find a bus stop. I have to find a bus stop, and then take a bus to this little town called Nordragota. This is where I live. This is where I will live for 5 days. So here we are, a little bus station, a bus. I think we have 1 hour. Here you can see all the timetables for different towns. Okay, and mine is over here. This one. Why is the bus free?
It's a service for the people in the town.
Wow, it's amazing. I think I've...
Just this town, inside the town is free.
Okay. I have never in my life seen a town with free buses.
Yeah, it's in Torshavn also. One customer. I do it right. Yeah, no, I'm going to just look after the customer. I'm going to do that. Okay. Deze ik op het hoofddag ik per steeds. Dat is je hard. Ja. Blijf lenta daar. Dat gaat niet dat maar zitten daar mooi. Ja.
Ja. Je kan zitten zo in een ruimte.
What's your name?
John Absalom. John Absalom.
That's long.
2 names. John Absalom.
But the first name?
Yeah, it's John.
John.
Absalom is easier to remember, but it's not so common.
Absalom, no. John. John is easier because it's like
Yeah,
in
John
English.
is very common.
Very common.
If you ask for John, nobody knows.
Yeah.
If you say Absalom,
Absalom.
there are 4 of us, 5 of us.
Oh really? Okay. My name is common. I'm from Poland, and
Yeah.
my name is in Polish Gosia.
Gosia.
Yeah, and it's very common in Polish too. But when I go to other countries, people are, what is that name?
Gosia.
Strange name. Polish people living here.
One is married in Opnefjord, a village next, belongs to Klaksvik. He's married there. Has 5 children. 4 children.
Really? So that it's a man. It's a Polish man.
Yeah. Krzysztof.
Krzysztof, yes. Krzysiek. And you like living here, no?
Yeah. I've been living in Denmark for 7 years.
And how does that compare to
A
here?
little bit bigger, but here is quite quiet and nice and quiet.
Quiet, more relaxing?
More relaxing, yeah. Outside.
A lot, yes. In the snow and
Yeah.
it's a beautiful, I mean, this is not normal, right? Today was very beautiful. The sun shining.
It's not normal, but
I was very lucky.
we have a few days like this during the winter time.
Few days. I was very lucky because today was my helicopter ride.
Yeah.
So I could see everything, very nice.
Yeah. A lot of times it's very cloudy and you can't see anything.
And what do you do here? What do people do here on New Year's Eve?
We shoot a lot of fireworks.
Yeah?
And,
Fireworks?
Go out drinking a little bit and
Go out where? To, like people's houses? Or
yeah, there is a dance place here also. Yeah, they mostly have parties at home, shoot
Right.
fireworks, and then they go out to visit people and some go to dance.
people are very social here, I think, right?
Yeah. They're not as open as I am, but
No? I didn't speak to many people, just to a few.
yeah.
But the
People are mostly afraid to speak English.
Really?
Yeah, in the Faroe Islands.
so far, no problem.
I've been sailing around the world.
You were where?
I've been sailing around the world.
Sailing?
Yeah, with the container boats, Maersk container boats.
Oh,
From
wow.
the States, USA, and then China, and everywhere. So
Wow.
I'm a bit used to speaking English.
Speaking English. But no, believe me, I come from Spain now because I live in Spain,
Yeah.
Barcelona. Almost no one speaks English there. speak English. I mean, people here. People here speak English.
Yeah.
Comparing to Spain. I arrived. I can already see my house, but I have half an hour before I can enter. So, you see this house behind me on here, the brown one? That's my house. But he told me to be there after 2. So, let's walk around. I like this place so much. This is like a paradise for me now. Typical Faroe lights, Christmas lights. Paradise. I'll be here in this silence, in this beautiful apartment, by myself for 5 nights. I mean, the other places were great too. Of course, they all were unique in their own, but this is the first time I have my own apartment, the entire apartment, and it's very warm, and it has a bathroom, and it has a kitchen, and it has a beautiful view. Look at that view over there, so magical. Good night. Good night. I'm there in this house on the ground floor. Good night.